Okay, here's the video for chapter 3.2 part 2 or 3.2 part B, graphing logarithms, and trying to get that whole work-life balance in order. And I find myself with these videos taking a bit of time that I'm then not doing things I want to do to better my life, which part of that is to get in shape. So I'm going to try something new. This is probably going to go terribly wrong, but I'm actually on my stationary bike and I am going to try to get some exercise while I do this video. So for those of you who, if you can't tell already, I'm already breathing heavy. Just started, but if you don't believe me, I will post a video. I'm going to make a video right now as I'm talking of me on my, you can see there I'm not going very fast. Let me speed up a little bit here. So on my little stationary bike, it's me. Hi. And so I'm going to try to do this lesson while I'm riding my bike. All right, let's see how it goes. Put my phone down. Okay. So graphing logarithms. First off, a logarithm with base b is the inverse of an exponential function with base b. Using only that information, we're going to fill out the following information. So when we filled out the table for, let's say we filled out this table, f of x, oh, this is going to be really bad, f of x equals 2 to the x power. We filled out that table, we would start on the x side and we would put in like, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2, and we go 1 half, 1, 0, no, 2 to the 0 power 1, 2, and 4. Right? Oh yeah, this isn't going to work. Anyway, so now we're doing logarithms inverse, so we're going to switch the x and y values, right? So when we fill out the table for log, so in this case log base 2 of x, we're going to first fill in the y values, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. And then we're going to put in the x values. So this is going to be 1 half, 1, 2, and 4. Because log base 2 of 1 half is negative 1. Log base 2 of 0 is 1. I'm sorry, log base 2 of 1 is 0. Log base 2 of 2 is 1. Log base 2 of 4 is 2. And let's plot those points. We have, if x is 1 half, f of x is 1. It's right there. And if x is 1, this is at 0. And x is at 2. We're at 1, and x is at 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're at 2. So we have something that looks like this. Oops, it's not very good. And here is my vertical asymptote. So whereas the exponential graph 2 to the x had a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0, for a logarithmic graph of log base 2 of x, our asymptote is a vertical asymptote and it is at x equals 0, and our graph gets exponentially larger as we move away from that. Our domain in this case is going to be from 0 to infinity. Right, our x values. Oops, why did I do that? Bad. Neither one of those. Because we don't touch 0 and we don't touch infinity. And then our range, though, would be all real numbers. So negative infinity to infinity. Our asymptote, I just already said, was going to be x equals 0. And then our intercept, where we cross one of our axes, it's right here. It's on our x-axis, so it's an x-intercept, and that's going to be at 1, 0. All right, so what I've decided is that this is absolutely not going to work. So I'm going to turn this video off. I'm going to get a little bit of a bike ride in, and then I'll do the video with the rest of the problems. All right, bye.